everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily close account in Revolut or how you can delete account in Revolut. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just go here on the dashboard, and when you will be in the dashboard you want to go to the right upper corner to settings. When you will be here, you want to scroll down below, and you're gonna see it here, close account. Just click on it, and then hey, what are you doing? It's free to keep a standard account, and opening a new one could take some time if you cancel, and then you just close the account. So this is how you delete or close account in Revolut. If you have any questions, I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some feedback and guidance. And yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.